Now, days after his release from house arrest, Syed Ali Shah Gilani urged Kashmiris to boycott polls in the state. He then went on and hobnobbed with people who have consistently fanned anti-India sentiments.
Now, the separatist leader who met Pakistan Prime Minister's advisor Sartaj Aziz in New Delhi has come out and advocated a violent solution for issues in Kashmir.
This meeting between Nawaz Sharif's advisor Sartaj Aziz and Hurriyat leader Syed Ali Gilani ruffled quite a few feathers in the corridors of power in the national capital. And within 24 hours, the separatist leader unmasked his true intentions, stating that guns could be one of the options for a permanent solution to the Kashmir issue besides other political means. In fact, Gilani audaciously goes on to compare the Kashmir dispute to the Indian freedom struggle, urging dissidents to resort to violence.
Well, as far as Mr. Syed Ali Shah Gilani is concerned, he has been advocating violence as the only option that he has for meeting what he says the aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Sharp political reactions pouring in against the Hurriyat leader, recently released from detention by the Jammu and Kashmir government after 9 months of house arrest on charges of hate-mongering.
We have always maintained, our party has throughout its existence maintained that there is a problem and it has to be resolved. But the means have to be peaceful, they have to be civilized, they have to be democratic.
A very serious lack of clarity on the part of Congress-led UPA government at the center, which has wittingly or unwittingly sent out a very dangerous message.
Political parties openly questioning why the separatist leader is being treated with kid gloves despite repeated vitriolic outbursts.
सेपरेटिस्ट मूवमेंट कश्मीर में उसका कोई दमखम नहीं है। यह सीमा के उस पार से प्रायोजित है। वहां से उसको राशन पानी और खाद मिलता है और हिंदुस्तान की जनतंत्र है जो इनको बचाए हुए है।
Syed Ali Gilani once again exposing the nefarious intentions of the separatist movement. Should India still hold talks with Sartaj Aziz, knowing well the real face behind the photo ops and the diplomatic posturing? Bureau Report, Times Now.